Hi everyone, let's make this beautiful decor piece using craft paper. So we are going to fold this red color of paper and paste it using double-sided tape at the top and center and fold it. Now we are going to make a shape on the top of it, cut it. After this we are going to paste 5 more such shapes, fold it, open it, and look, your decor piece is ready. Look at these beautiful colorful Christmas trees. Let's make it. Here we are going to collect some pine cone and color it. Using clay we are going to make pom-pom balls and decorate the Christmas tree. Dab it on the top of this clay. Make a snowman as well, and look how pretty these Christmas trees are looking. Look at this beautiful Christmas bell tree. Let's make. We need these materials. So roll this paper, make a cone. Now take a green pipe cleaner, fold it and make a shape like this. It is for the strand. So put it inside the cone like this. We're going to paste it using hot glue gun. After this, fold this green color of pipe cleaner to 4 centimeter and make small pieces out of it. Fold it and make a shape like this. We're going to make 70 to 80 such shapes and paste all of them on the top of the cone like we're doing here, one after another. You can measure it and look, you will get a shape like this. Now open all the petals like this. Now take another pipe cleaner and again we're going to make small pieces out of it. After this we're going to tie it at the center like this and open all of them. Now we're going to braid all of them like this at the center. You can add more pipe cleaners like we're doing here and make a circle like this and fold it, and look, your base is ready. Put it at the bottom part, decorate it further using these snowflakes, ribbons, flowers, and put a bell as well, and look, it's ready. Look at these colorful shapes. Let's make it. Here we're going to take this orange color of square paper and measure dots on the top of it. We're taking 2.8 centimeter dots. Now fold it like this. Look, you will get a square shape at the center. Now we are going to paste it using glue. After pasting it, again we are going to measure these dots on the top of it and fold it till the dot. After this, we are going to put the finger inside, open it, and put the paper inside from the corners. After putting the corners, we're going to fold it into half and paste it. Again, we're going to measure dots and draw lines on the top of it using pencil. After drawing it, we're going to cut a shape like this. Now make 5 such shapes and paste all of them one over another. Open it and paste it in a circle, and it's ready. Take this red craft paper and make multiple folds. Make a triangular shape. After this, we're going to draw lines on the top of it using black marker. You can take a pencil as well. Cut it, open it, and your design is ready. We're going to make this beautiful shape. So fold this red craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now draw the line on the top of it. Draw it, cut it, open it, and look, your design is ready. Look at these beautiful mini Christmas tree. Let's make it. So fold this orange paper from its sides and from the bottom as well. Now we are going to make the pleats. Gently fold it like this and make this triangular shape. Now open it and make 6 such colorful shapes. We are using 2 different color and tuck all of them one inside another. Fold it and make a circle like this, and look, your cone is ready. Make 2 such cones and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.